Hello, everybody! My name is Corey. We're back to some more Sonic Generations. Last time we left off, we played Speed Highway and didn't get a good score on both of them. But look, I got all red rings in Speed Highway. And, yeah, Speed Highway doesn't really have a lot of branching pathways that are really hard to find. I found them all pretty easily, and that's how I got those red rings. I got 3 red rings in this guy. But now, we're going on to City Escape, because I know this music. Look at this. I want to ride that skateboard. I need to ride some skateboards. Okay. Oh. Oh, no, I didn't press X. Crap. Something's messed up with my thing. Alright, let me start this again. Okay. Sure. Alright. Oh crap, I didn't. Oh no. Are there people after me again? Oh crap. There are robots after me again, I'm not even speeding. Okay. They're robots, why are there robots? Alright, whatever. Hurry up. Alright, let's get up. Oh, red ring! No! Get back up there. No. Fine. Can I jump to this? I want to get this red ring. Can I jump here? No! Alright, fine. Just hope I don't die. No. Okay, good. I thought I wouldn't be able to get it anymore. Whoa! Oh, corporate trucks. Okay, get up. Oh, why is that there? Crap, get out of my way, robot. Alright, let's go, run. Run from the evil corporate trucks. Oh, I want that red ring. Crap, I need that. Whatever. And I'm dead. You know, I'm gonna get an S rank on this. I will not stand for another rank that's not an S. Because I'm a perfectionist, you know? I'm pretty sure I haven't gotten an S on the Act 1 since Green Hill Zone. That's how bad I'm doing. I mean, this game isn't supposed to be that hard. I mean, yeah, sure, it's not gonna be like it's gonna be easy, but it shouldn't be like. It's just that I don't like. I'm a perfectionist, you know. I want to get those S's. Get that ring. Ugh. All right, we're 46 seconds ahead. It's fine. Run or roll. I don't care. Just keep going, Sonic. Okay. Need to get there before the corporate truck does. Also, never be able to get that. Come on, run. Or whatever you're doing. I don't care, just get up there fast. You're Sonic the freaking Hedgehog. Okay, come on, get up. Don't die, please. Get that red ring too. I want that red ring. Crap, I want. Whatever, it's fine. There'll be more red rings to come. Just, what's that noise? Is that a bomb? Oh, it's my treasure tracker thingy. Oh yeah, I don't want that. That's making too much noise. Oh, come on! Why is that thing there? Okay. Sorry about that. Little crap. Come on. Come on! Alright, you know what? It's alright. Skateboards! Woo! We're on skateboards! Alright. No! Red ring up there. Oh, I saw it. Alright, we got a life. Doesn't matter. Keep going. Sanic. Crap, come on, get up. This is just getting up there. All you have to do is just jump. Thank you. Oh, come on, get up. No, there's another red ring. I've missed like 10 red rings. And there's 5 in a thing. Doesn't matter. There's... come on. Where are you supposed to be going? This thing actually wants to kill us. Okay. Jump, 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 jumping. Keep running from the truck. Okay, yes. Oh. No! I did not just die. This is so... What did I die from? Invisible monsters. Oh, Chow in Space 2. Come on, this is not fair. I didn't even know what I fell. I was just speed dashing and then I fell into the ground. Okay. Alright, now please don't. Yes. Alright, just run, Sonic. Run from the corporate evil truck. Alright, whatever. A B. I didn't even make it in time. I got 2 rings. Whatever. I'm gonna get an S rank on this. Trust me. Act 2, S rank. Here we go. I got this, don't worry. Green Forest. I really hope it's like at the beginning we start off at the skateboard. Yes! This isn't a skateboard, whatever, it's close enough. Okay. Keep running. Oh, they're like... Okay. Where am I supposed to keep launching? Oh, I missed it. Doesn't matter. It's fine. Oh, this is intense. This music's pretty nice, I must say. Okay. What are you doing? Alright. Please don't screw around, Sonic. 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 Alright, just run. Go. Yes. Alright. Keep running, Sonic. Oh yes. Keep going. Come on! I'm already out of boost. Yes! Red ring! I love red rings. They're red, and they're rings. Okay, come on. Oh. Corporate trucks are trying to kill us. It's probably gonna be another corporate truck. If it's anything like the game. If it's anything like the game! Corporate trucks. Gun. Oh, run away from the gun, bro. I'm running. Oh crap. Oh, we have to sidestep. Okay. Sure. Please don't kill us. Or me. Me and Sonic. Don't kill me and Sonic. Don't kill Sonic and I. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Keep running. I don't think he's gonna be able to catch up to you. Oh, why did you stop boosting? Keep boosting. Oh, he's trying to kill us. Can't you see? Oh, why are you stopping? Oh, no. What is this? Why is this? Oh, man. Evil corporate monster truck. Alright, it's dead. Alright, come on. Come on, Sonic. I just make it to there. This is the easiest thing. Okay, you're out of boost anyway. Doesn't matter. S-Rank! Alright. Demolition Derby. So we beat that. City Escape. Ooh, Rogue the Bat. Rouge. Rogue, I don't even care.
Thanks, Big Blue. That's the first time I've ever been stolen.
Okay. Oh, Sonic. We could have... Who could have brought us here? What purpose? Well, it's that time meter, dude. I'm doing this one again. You guys are gonna watch. Let's change the music. Let's do... What's this green force? Dang. Sure, let's do Splash Hill Zone, though. I like that. 3 minutes and 55 seconds the time to beat. Plus getting all those red rings. Oh, no. Woo! Alright. Get up here. Oh. Round 2 with Evil Corporate Truck. Gun. Evil Corporate Monster Truck. No! I'm dead. All I want is the S rank. I'm gonna get that. I'm getting that S rank. No matter what anybody says about me, if I'm a tryhard, I don't care. S ranks are mine. That's my last name. It starts with an S. Not telling you what my last name is because I don't know. It's not important. Alright. Okay. Oh, come on. Well, at least you're not dead. Oh, now you're dead. Now I'm just... Alright. Sorry, that was like a phone in the background. It doesn't matter. Oh, get back. Oh, I forgot. I want to get the fastest freaking time. Alright, let's go. Quit dying! Alright, good. This is gain momentum, you know? Yay! Red ring! Oh, I love red rings. So much joy comes out of red rings. Alright. Keep going. Keep running. Don't stop running. That's right, Sonic. You keep running. You don't look back. Whoa! Okay. That was scary. Oh, what's this? What's this, bro? Can I jump up there? Probably. This might lead there. Oh, no! Ah, crap, this is not good. Come on! Okay, jump up, jump up. Alright, it's alright, just jump. Jump, Sonic. Crap, come on! Jump up! Ugh! This is so bad. And this music's pretty good too. That's the only thing keeping me alive right now. The music. It's all about the music. Yes! I got the red ring. Doesn't matter. I don't care. Don't! I'll cut to the part where I died. I will get that red ring.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, so this is not where I left you off, but this is where I'm gonna start. Because I want to get this. Oh, you don't know how many tries I've had. How many times I've tried. Either I was too late, whatever. But not this time. I have to do it this time. Okay, 27 seconds ahead. Not bad, not bad. Keep going. Oh, why you stop? Ugh. Okay. Run that way, run that way. Okay, run that way. Run up. Jump up. I don't even care if you're running up. I don't even know. Just get up. Okay. Please. Oh, get out of my way. Alright, I'm gonna just keep it calm here. And go, keep running. Just don't run. Don't stop running. Don't stop running. Go, go, go. One second. I'm done. Whatever, I'll do it off screen. See you guys later in the next episode where we go to this place. And, oh, it's like a sea temple. Alright, see you guys later in the next episode. Goodbye!